Yes. About this instant gratification, just to react on others' lives isn't a good thing either. It's better to build your life the way you want it. Each day taking steps towards your goals that you have and not waste your time. Time budgets is very good. I have this my 14 days challenge, how to get a winner's mindset. There is pre-recorded episodes where you get 14 good habits, and the whole point is that you should use this 14 points good habits daily, so you have one new every day to add up to 14 new good habits. Because it's very important that it starts with you, that you get the energy and strength that you need to run your projects.